always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. And look who's here. Hello, kids.
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Look what I have with me today. This is called a keyboard. Mr. Frog, you just used the letter of the day. Did I? Yes, the letter K. K makes the sound K in keyboard. Listen. K, K, keyboard. K, K, keyboard. Now you try.
Keyboard. Can I play your keyboard, Mr. Frog?
Yes, thank you for asking. Here. Now it will make different sounds for you.
Those sounds are silly.
What other sounds can it make?
All sorts of sounds. Try this, Pig.
Wow, I feel like a king.
I heard the letter of the day again.
Yes, because I'm the king. Repeat after me. King.
King.
I have just the song for you, King Pig.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Come on, King Pig. Let's go pretend together.
Yay!
Oh, hey! Here are more things that begin with K.
Key. Key. Kangaroo. Keyboard. Keyboard. Koala. Koala. Kitchen. Kitchen.
What letter do all these words start with?
K.
That's right. The letter K.
Letter Safari! Let's find some beginning letter sounds. Oh, look! Hedgehog has maracas! 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 Do you hear that? Maracas begins with M. Maracas. Monkey has a triangle. 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 What letter makes the beginning sound in triangle? T. That's right. Triangle. Pig is playing a keyboard. 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 What letter do you hear? K. Cool. And Mr. Frog has a banjo. 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 What letter do you hear? B. That's right. Let's listen to the beginning letters again. Maracas. What's that letter? M. Triangle. What's that letter? T. Keyboard. What's that letter? K. Banjo. What's that letter? B. Let's put these 4 letters in our learning book. Say each letter with me. M. T. K. B. All right, let's make music.
Oh, yeah.
That was awesome! Thanks for going on a letter safari with me. See you soon!
Yes.
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter K. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
I know! Let's trace letters with a glue stick.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Fox, why don't you go first?
Okay. K.
Great!
I'll try it. K.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I'll trace the next one. K.
Nice job!
I want to try. K. Ooh.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
K.
Exactly. Uppercase K. And what's this letter?
K.
That's right. Lowercase k. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose! K!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Zanelle Sees Numbers. Let's find out what happens. Let's begin. Zanelle Sees Numbers. Written by Laura Delange, illustrated by Henry Coetzee, designed by Arthur Atwell. Everyone tells Zanelle that numbers are all around her, but no matter how hard she tries, she can't see them. Zanelle asks Grandmother to help her see some numbers. Grandmother points to the jars on the shelf and counts 1, 2, 3, 4. But Zanelle is unhappy. Those aren't numbers. Those are jars. Zanelle asks Mom to help her see some numbers. Mom points to the carrots in the garden and counts 1, 2, 3, 4. But Zanelle is unhappy. Those aren't numbers. Those are carrots. Zanelle sees Linda counting the chickens to see if they have all come back home. 1, 2, 3, 4. But Zanelle is unhappy. Those aren't numbers. Those are chickens. Zanelle sees Auntie counting the hours until dinner. 1, 2, 3, 4. But Zanelle is unhappy. Those aren't numbers. Those are hours. Zanelle can't see the numbers in the world. She goes to speak to her sister, who is 8 years old and knows everything. If you look at anything in the right way, you can see a number in it, her sister says. She gives Zanelle a pair of magic glasses and tells her to go look for numbers in the world. 1, 2, 3, 4. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids.
Hello, Mr. Frog!
Would you all like to play in a band?
Okay.
Yeah!
Well, this song is all about singing and playing along. I'll sing first, and then you can join in. Here we go. I am the music man. I come from far away, and I can play. What can you play? I play the ukulele. Ukulele, 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 ukulele. What instrument shall we pick next?
Maracas!
Okay, when the time comes, pretend to shake your maracas. You too.
I am the music man. I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play maracas.
Mama, mama, maracas, mama, maracas, mama, maracas, mama, mama, maracas, mama, maracas.
Ukulele, 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 ukulele.
What shall we play next, Pig?
The keyboard.
Okay, when the time comes, twinkle your fingers. Here we go.
I am the music man. I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play the keyboard. Keyboard, 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 keyboard.
Mama, mama, maracas, mama, maracas, mama, maracas, mama, mama, maracas, mama, maracas.
Ukulele, 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 ukulele.
Okay, let's add one more instrument.
How about bass? Electric bass.
Great choice. When the time comes, pretend to strum. Here we go.
I am the music man. I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play electric bass.
Bass, bass, electric bass, electric bass, electric bass, 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 electric bass, bass, electric bass.
Keyboard, 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 keyboard.
Mama, mama, maracas, mama, maracas, mama, maracas, mama, mama, maracas, mama, maracas.
Ukulele, 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 ukulele.
We did it. Thanks for playing in the band with me.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
And thank you for playing along too.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop now, let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Bum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you. Let's count sea stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sea stars. Now let's count shells together. 1, 2, 3. How many in all? 3. Yeah, you got it! Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the rocks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many rocks are there in all? 6! You did it! Thanks, Monkey! Hey, I have an idea. Let's count all the grains of sand on the beach. Yay!
That may take a while. See you soon!
Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count. To do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 1. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything one time. Clap one time. Nod one time. Point one time. March one time. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me. Yeah!
Here's Monkey with a healthy habit.
Let's wash our hands. Make sure your hands are wet and you've got plenty of soap. If you know the words, sing along with me. First you rub your hands together and then you scrub the backs. Slide your fingers in between, I think you've got the knack. Then you grip your hands together, then twist around your thumbs. Rub your fingers on your hands, and after that you're done. Now rinse your hands and dry them off. Let's show off our clean hands. Yay! Goodbye!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hush-a-bye, don't you cry. Go to sleep, my little baby. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses, blacks and bays, dappled and grays, dancing through the sky. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses. Hush-a-bye, don't you cry. Go to sleep, my little baby. When you wake, all the pretty little horses.